Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to add low power mode to control center on your iPhone running iOS version 14.7.1. So this is my iPhone device, so let's start. So if I open my control center, you can see it's opened, and you can see guys I don't have any low power mode added in this. So let's add that. Let me close this. So you have to open your settings app, and you can see guys it's opened. And also let me show you guys first that I have iOS version 14.7.1 installed on this iPhone device. So let me tap on this general, and then let me tap on this about, and you can see guys here I have this software version. You can see I have iOS version 14.7.1 installed on this iPhone 10R. So let me go back again. Okay, so in order to add low power mode to control center on your iPhone, you have to open your settings app, and after that you have to come to this control center. Okay, and then tap on it. You can see I have this control center opened, and after that you have to come to this more controls. Okay, and you have to find a low power mode in this. So here I have this low power mode, and after that you have to tap on this plus button beside this low power mode. So let me tap on this, and if I scroll up, and if I come to this included controls, you can see I have this low power mode added. After that, just close your settings app. Let me close this. So let me open my control center. Let me swipe down from the top right corner of my iPhone screen. You can see it's opened, and you can see guys here I have this low power mode added. And if I tap on this, you can see low power mode on. It's now on. And whenever you want to turn it off, you have to tap on it again. Let me tap on this, and you can see low power mode off. So that's it. In this way you can easily add low power mode to control center on your iPhone running iOS version 14.7.1. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.